Hello, and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to order a tax return transcript and access other federal tax documents that may be required to satisfy financial aid requirements. A student who is selected for federal or state verification and/or a student applying for the Educational Opportunity Fund, or EOF program, may be required to submit additional financial documentation, including a tax return transcript, to our office. A tax return transcript is different from a regular federal IRS 1040 as it provides more detailed information that our office needs to complete the verification process. If a student or dependent student's parents are unable to use the IRS data retrieval tool within the FAFSA, we may request a tax return transcript. Transcripts and other tax documents can be ordered on irs.gov. Our office has created a special page specifically for students selected for verification. To get started, visit stockton.edu/verification. This page gives step-by-step instructions on how to retrieve each potential form or document that may be needed. It also shows how to view and upload requirements. For the purposes of this video, we're going to look at how to order a tax return transcript. To get started, click on the If you need to order a tax return transcript dropdown. In addition to our step-by-step instructions, we also provide a link directly to irs.gov. Click the Order a Tax Return Transcript button to be directed to irs.gov. Here you can request a transcript online or by mail. Our office recommends that anyone who can order a tax return transcript online do so. It's a quicker way to get requirements completed. At the end of the video, we will go over how to order a tax return transcript by mail for those that cannot order one online. To get started ordering a tax return transcript online, click the Get Transcript Online button. Next, you will be prompted to either create an ID.me account or sign in with an existing IRS username or ID.me account. If you have never created an account, you will select the option to create an ID.me account. ID.me provides secure access to tax documentation while allowing individuals to confirm their identity online. Users can use this digital credential to access government services, healthcare logins, or discounts from retail brands. The process to set up an ID.me account is quick and user-friendly. First, enter your email and create a password. Please note that your password must be at least 8 characters long and contain 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter and 1 number. After creating a password, read and click the checkbox next to I accept the ID.me Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Then click Create an ID.me account. The next statement is letting you know how ID.me will share your information with the IRS. After reading the statement, click Continue. ID.me requires you to utilize multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA makes sure that your information is secure by using texts, phone calls, push notifications, security codes, or security keys to make sure that it is truly you logging into your account. With MFA, even if someone guesses your password, they won't be able to sign in as you. This page presents you with a list of options to choose from for your MFA associated with this account. Once you have chosen your MFA preference, click the corresponding box. Then you will choose how you will verify your identity. The 2 options include self-service and video chat agent. Self-service is recommended as it is faster and only requires a driver's license, state ID, passport or passport card, and a selfie. Once you have selected how you are going to verify your identity, click Continue. Then, read the disclaimer and click the checkbox next to I acknowledge that I have received and agree to these terms, and click Continue. Next, you will choose which form of identification you will use to verify your identity. You can choose between a driver's license, state ID, passport, or passport card. We recommend completing the process on a computer. Once you have selected which form of ID you will use, you can choose whether you want to take a photo or choose an image from your computer or photo library. If you choose an image, a box will appear and you can select where you have the photos saved on your device to upload them to the site. If you choose to take a photo, you will need to enter your phone number so that ID.me can send you a link on your smartphone to take a photo. Then click Continue. Do not get out of the web browser you are in. You will follow the prompts until they tell you to return to your web browser. Once you receive the link on your phone, click the link. Then take the required photos of the documentation you are providing. Once you have taken the photos, you will need to take a selfie. This selfie will be used to help confirm your identity based on the ID that you have provided. After you have taken your selfie, go back to your web browser. Once it is finished comparing your identification to your selfie, you will be required to enter some identifying information. Enter your Social Security number and click Continue. The next screen explains how and what information ID.me will share with the IRS to confirm your identity when logging on to their site. After reading, click Allow. Now you have officially created your ID.me account and have logged into the IRS site. Please keep your login information in a safe place as you will need this each time you want to log into the IRS site. Now that you have successfully created your account, it's time to order the transcript. First, select a reason to order a transcript. Your reason is higher education or student aid. Please note that you do not need a customer file number. After you hit Go, you are brought to a page that asks you which type of transcript or tax document you would like to order, and it lists all of the applicable years for which the documents are available. You can order a return transcript, a record of account transcript, an account transcript, or a wage and income transcript. Please note that each of these documents provides different information, so we may request other documents and one will not satisfy the requirement of another. For the purposes of this video, we are going to order a tax return transcript. If our office specifically needs any of the others, we will ask for them. Once you select the year of the transcript that you would like to order, the transcript will appear in a new window where you can download the document as a PDF, save it to your computer, and upload it to the Student Forms site. Please note that the FAFSA uses the prior tax year for income information. So if you are completing the 2022-2023 FAFSA, you will order a 2020 tax return transcript. For EOF purposes, you will also need to order the prior year's tax return transcript. So if you are applying for the 2022-2023 school year, you will need 2019 and 2020 tax return transcripts. Some parents and students may not be able to order a tax return transcript online and must request it by mail. To order a tax return transcript by mail, select the Get Transcript by Mail button. Then you must agree to the terms of using the IRS system by clicking OK. Then you will enter your Social Security number, date of birth, street address, and zip code. Finally, you will select which transcript you would like to order. Most oftentimes, we are going to request a return transcript. Be sure you are selecting the correct transcript when ordering, as they both list different things that we may need to look at. Please note that in some cases, we may request a record of account or a wage and income transcript. You cannot order these by mail and will have to make an appointment at an IRS site to retrieve these. Next, you'll select the tax year. Please note that the FAFSA uses the prior tax year for income information. So if you are completing the 2022-2023 FAFSA, you will order a 2020 tax return transcript. For EOF purposes, you will also need to order the prior year's tax return transcript. So if you are applying for the 2022-2023 school year, you will need 2019 and 2020 tax return transcripts. Remember, you do not need a customer file number. Once you are finished, click Continue. Now you have ordered a tax return transcript, and it will be delivered by mail within 5 to 10 business days. Don't forget to click Exit so that you are logged out of the IRS system. As always, our office is here to help. Visit stockton.edu/contactfinaid to schedule a phone call appointment with a member of our staff or utilize our contact form to send us an email with any questions you may have. Thank you.